Good morning to all peoples of Tripura, and I want to thank first of all to social media and electronic media for joining us, for helping us to reach our voice to the all people of Tripura. Today, on 23rd August 2022, there was a mass gathering in Manikpur Bazar under leadership of our beloved Bubagra for joining program, and there was a joining of our MDC BJP opposition leader Sri Hongsho Kumar Tripura. He joined on that day, and peoples from different places like Manikpur and Samuno, Lalchora, and they are in Choilengta, Mono, under 49 ST constituency. There was many people who have joined under leadership of Sri Hongsho Kumar Tripura on that day. But on 24 August 2022, at Manipur BJP office, they have released a press conference through social media that the joining program which was happened in Manipur Bazar on 23rd August, it was totally wrong. They have allegation of that. Today we are here for clarifying the matters. Actually, on that day we all have been there in joining program, and it is crystal clear that how much people was gathered in Manikpur field. That we all know, that we have seen, and now what they have said is totally wrong, and we hope all the peoples of Tripura will understand and will believe by seeing the picture of the program. Under leadership of Maharaja, there was a thousand people. Many peoples came for seeing our Maharaja for joining program and gathering here. And what they have alleged as that the joining program false is totally wrong. And I hope through social media they will get the message. All the Tripura people will get the message that the joining program was totally right. We have been there, and it is 100% true that peoples who what we have mentioned during the program is totally right, and all the people have been joined through that program. On that day, during joining program, from different places like Manikpur, Chamuno, Choilengta, and Lalchora, Moinama, total family who have joined us is 3,112 family, total family, and total voter was 6,500, and they have already alleged from different places like Manikpur, Chamuno, Choilengta, and Lalchora, Moinama. Total family who have joined us is 3,112 family, total family, and total voter was 6,500, and they have already alleged that the list has been released through social media is totally false. But today through social media we want to clarify, we want to send message to the peoples of Tripura that under leadership of Bubagra, on that day what how much total family have joined is totally right. Secondly, I want to clarify that in press meet they have released that Mr. Sri Hongsho Kumar Tripura, MDC and opposition leader of 49 ST consistency, they have mentioned that he is greed of post and greed of money. That's why he joined Tipra Motha. And this is totally wrong. We all know that he is having power in opposition leader also. He is having Scott. He is having own car from party, and he is having quarter from in TTADC also, in Agartala also. We know all that. But for our land, for our right, he came and joined us for fighting for the betterment of Tripura peoples and for developing the areas of TTADC area. He joined us, he joined Maharaja, and he came to help our Bubagra to serve peoples in good way. During in his previous position, he was just named with name MDC, but he cannot do anything for the peoples of our area. Now he came join us to serve independently under under Tripura Motha party, because our Bubagra is in the way of truth. He that's why he joined us. So whatever BJP workers allegate and whatever BJP people's release press is totally false. he is in true way. He will help us. He will help our Bobagra to serve our peoples in good way. So all these things allegation he is totally wrong. I want to clarify through this social media, and I will request all the news channel, all the Facebook page, all the Instagram page to distribute, to share this message to the all the peoples of Tripura.
হামবাই সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া এবং ইলেকট্রনিক जों दिनै बाध्य अंगै मिट खैनानै चिनी 23 तारिख आगस्ट जे जयनिं प्रग्रामनि जे जनसभायै जे एलिगेशन थेपामानि जों बाध्य अंगै र माफैगा प्रेस मिट खैनानै दिनै जतन फुंखाहाम जत सारा त्रिपुरा राज्यनि चिनी 13 लक्ष जे संगठन जों कायसा मेसेज रनायो चिनी प्रेस मिट फाइसबायजाक चिनी ब्लक कमिटी एडभाइजार अनि सबजाक चिनी ताखौ चिनी सेक्टर कमिटिनि तंगो प्रेसिडेंट निरंजय रियां आं सेक्रेटारि तंगो गेताय आरो चिनी इरनि जुगन वाइटिएमनि 10 लाख चिनी चेयरमैन मानिपुरनि विद्याजय त्रिपुरा चिनी वाइटिएम विक्रम आरो जत माफाइके दंगै दुखित जों थांनाय 23 तारिखआव जे जयनिं जे खायमानि दारा चिनी त्रिपुरा मथाना हामजागै एबं महाराजाना हामजागै महाराजानि सेंखै सामं थांनानै हिंगै ब्रक फाइमानि महाराजाना लगे रनानै हिंगै उबनो थांनाय मिया 24 तारिख बीजेपी नि कायसा चिनी मणिपुर हाथिगो कायसा रैली अंगो ओ रैली बाजार सभा को ब्रक मिथ्या अपप्रचार एवं मिथ्या भावे जोंनो इलिगेल रेखा ब्रक हंस कुमार त्रिपुरा नाकि पोस्ट लुबी रां लुबी उमते हाइके ब्रक जे रैली को मिथ्या अपप्रचार खाइए ब्रक सामानि अबनो चिनी त्रिपुरा मथा पक्ष हইতে जों अनेक सिनिंगो अबो ओ कग्रावनो ब्रक दाति दाति ब्रक रक्षा नानानि अंथ हिंगै चिनी त्रिपुरा मथानि पक्ष हইতে ब्रकनो अनुरोध खाइयो ब्रक जदि कग्रावनो जे प्रेस मिट खाइयो जे साक्लाइमानि कग्रावनो ब्रक अबनो रक्षा नाया हिंगै चिनी त्रिपुरा मथानि पक्ष हইতে जों बृहद आंदोलन जों खाइनाय आरो जे चिनी त्रिपुरा मथा नि ऊपर जेबाबे ब्रक जयनिं रफायनाय रावनो ककथाइसा ब्रक सामानि तं सागमिया जे प्रेस मिट खाइयो ए ब्रक नाकि जारा जयन रफायनाय राव जारा पारा नि ब्रक जयन रफायनाय राव ब्रक कि मिथ्या पो अब ब्रक सिका गसिनि फाइ जयन रफायो बिसिंलाइसिनि ब्रक से हिंगे जी सामानि अब जारा इ सामनु कन्स्टिट्यूशन नि बिसिंगो सामनु तथा सामने 49 नि बिसिंगो जत चिनि 24 ता बिसिनि ब्रक फाइ जयन रफाइ जागरो ओ कग्रंनो खनागै ब्रकनि से कग्रंनो खनागै जों वानानानि क्रै बखा बायनानि कक्रै ब्रक ओ कग्रंनो ब्रक रक्षा नानानि अंथ जोंनो चिनि जे आइडियोलॉजी महाराजानि आइडियोलॉजीनो हामजागै जे सामं थांनानै फाइनाय रावनो ब्रकनो विभिन्न भावे कोले कुशले विभिन्न कुचक्रांत एवं विभिन्न चक्रांत खाइनानै ब्रक चेष्टा खाइतंगो ओ जिनिसरावनो जों त्रिपुरा मथा पक्ष हইতে सिनिंगो जों बुनो हामजागिया एवं जों बुनो चाजागिया ब्रकनि कग्रंनो जों हामजागियागै जों जे तिनि इरगो अबनि बागैनो जों बाध्यंगै प्रेस मिट बा ककथाइसा थाइनाय सानानै जों माफाइका कारण चिनी सारा त्रिपुरा राज्यनि चिनी त्रिपुरासा नि जे सामुं थांनानै हिंगै जारा महाराजानो लगे रगे फाइनानै हिंगै समाय थांगै फाइनाय रावनो ब्रकनो बिभ्रांत भावे ब्रक बिभ्रांत खाइनानै चेष्टा खाइतंगो अबनि बागै जों ब्रकनो सिनेंगो अबनो सागैनो चिनी जे सारा त्रिपुरा राज्यनि 13 लक्ष जनगण बा चिनी त्रिपुरासा जातिनो दफानि बागै ब्रकनि उमते हाइ कग्रंनो जों खोनायागै दफानि बागै सामुं थांनानै जों 단짝하여 이제 마하라자는 로게르는 영토hin의 앙이 꼭 타이차타니 그 사람은 이러는 세세가 저토는 한바이 저토는 굴름까